To show you how you can edit any image with AI in Wireflow. In this video, we're going to go through AI image editing, restoring an old photo, restyling and swapping backgrounds, and then we're going to pick the best AI image model for each kind of edit. So this is the workflow that we're going to be working in today. Essentially, it's one upload image node, which gets sent to a GPT-2 image node, and then into 3 different image nodes here, and this one's actually Nano Banana Pro. And then we just have these compare nodes, which let you see the before and after with this sliding bar. All right, let's jump into the fresh build now. In the last video, we started from a prompt and we created an image. But this time we're going to start with an image and then add a prompt in order to edit that image. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to click import. And then you can either drag and drop your images, or you can just click on this and select the image that you want. So I've selected that same car image. And then in the same side panel, I'm going to grab the text input node. So this is going to be our editing prompt, and then this is our input image. So from here, we need to bring in a GPT image node. So I'm going to type GPT, and I'm just going to drag in GPT Image 2, and then connect up the purple line and the green line. And now all we need is a prompt. So I'm just going to write restore this old photo, and then I'm just going to make sure that the image size is square, and then I'm going to hit run. About 3 minutes later now, and you can see that the image is finished generating and we have a fully restored car image. So the next steps are to pretty much bring in the next image nodes. So I'm going to drag and drop the green line and just type in Nano Banana Pro, select that one. And so we need another prompt. So I'm just going to grab this and drag and drop it, and then grab the text input. And I'm just going to write, don't change anything in the image, but add a 1970s couple leaning on the car. Just making sure it's one by one. Okay, there we go. We got the 1970s couple leaning up against the car using Nano Banana Pro to edit the image. So now I'll bring the next 2 in and we'll run them at the same time. And we'll just use Nano Banana Pro again because it's a little bit faster and a little bit cheaper than GPT-2. So I brought 2 of those nodes in. I'm just making space for another prompt node here. So 2 prompt nodes. Okay, so this one's going to be repaint this image into watercolor. And then this one's going to be replace the background with a sunset on the beach. And then I'm just going to use this pointer tool to select both of these nodes. And then I'm just going to click run to select the nodes. So those images just came through in about 30 seconds. I'll just clean it up a bit here so we can zoom in and see them next to each other. So you have the completely replaced background, but the car stayed the same. And then you have the repaint into a watercolor painting. And then if you want to keep editing, you can pretty much just grab any of these images from the green connector and drag and drop it. So if I wanted to change the tires, I can drag and drop this one into another Nano Banana Pro node here, and I can just drag and drop another prompt, and then I'll write make the rim shiny and red, and I'll just hit run. And then while that one's generating, I'll do a comparison node for you. So I'm just going to drag this one, the starting image, into the open, and then just search for compare. So that means that this image is getting fed into the compare node as the first image, the before image, and then I'll grab this restored image as the after image there. And now we can just have a compare node where you can drag this slider back and forth to see all the minor differences with that car. All right, so the Nano Banana is just finished, and you can see that the rims are now red. And then we have the whole workflow, starting from the uploaded image, restoring it, and then doing 3 different types of editing.